In this video, I will be going through a homeowner's insurance policy with Safety Insurance. Hi, I'm Shelley Moscatelli. I'm an account manager here at Barry Insurance. I have been in the insurance industry since 2003, and I've been working with Safety Insurance for about 7 years now. In this video, I will be giving you an overview of the Safety Insurance homeowners policy, and then I will be sharing my own personal takeaways as an insurance agent. I have a copy of a declarations page for a homeowner's policy that I'm going to be going through. I'm going to go through the first page or so of the actual declarations page. I'm not going to go through the entire policy because it's at least 55 pages or so. So the first thing that I will touch base upon is the dwelling coverage. On this specific policy, the home is located in Uxbridge, Massachusetts, and the replacement cost on the home is coming in at $433,000. So in the event that the structure were ever damaged or total loss, you'd have up to $433,000 to rebuild that structure itself. And that does not include the land. Land is separate. The coverage B, the next section, is the other coverages. We have coverage up to $43,300, so that's for any type of detached structure on the premises, like a detached garage or a shed. You'd have up to 10% of the dwelling coverage to replace anything other than the home. Coverage C is the personal property. That is basically all your personal belongings, anything that you have in the home. All your furniture, clothing, pots, pans, dishes, all your miscellaneous items, up to the $303,100. The loss of use, we have coverage on this one up to $173,200. So basically, if your home were ever uninhabitable due to a loss and you had to stay at a hotel, it would be paying for the hotel stay as well as the food. We have the personal liability. That's basically, well, actually it's coverage up to $1 million on the policy, and that's basically if anyone were to get injured on your property and ever sued you, you were found negligent or liable due to any activities or any injuries on your property, you'd have up to the $1 million. Medical payments, that's basically, again, if someone ever did get injured on your property, had to go to the emergency room for stitches or an x-ray, it's going to cover the medical expense. Then we actually get into the forms and endorsements on the homeowner's insurance. The homeowner's special form, that's basically the general wording of an actual insurance policy. Then we have water exclusion. That is basically excluding all water caused by a flood. We have identity theft restoration service. That is coverage in the event your identity was ever compromised. You would be assigned a case manager that would work with you on working with the 3 different credit bureaus on getting your identity back. We have daycare exclusion. Basically, if you have a daycare running out of your home, there is no coverage. The inflation guard, that's an annual increase of 4%. The dwelling will increase on an annual basis, typically 3 to 4%. Nowadays, it may be going up to 6%. Then we have the service line coverage. That's basically any type of a sewer pipe or electrical wiring underneath the ground, basically from the home running to the curb. There would be coverage for service lines, typically under up to about $10,000 or so. Home systems protection coverage is if there were ever damage to, say, your furnace or your air conditioning unit, you'd have coverage for a replacement. Limited fungi, wet or dry rot, or bacteria coverage, that is basically very limited as to what is going to be covered under the homeowner's policy. If there were ever fungi that built up over years, it's not something that would be covered. If there were a direct physical loss where water got into the home and immediately caused damage, then that is something that could be covered for the remediation. We have the premises alarm system. That's basically a discount that's going to be applied to the policy. On this one, I have there's a $67 credit, and that's just for having smoke alarms. But if you have any type of a burglar alarm, fire alarm, you would get more of a discount. Then we have an optional deductible discount. The higher deductible that you take, the more of a discount you will have on the policy. On this policy, we have a $1,000 deductible, so you're responsible for that first $1,000 of the deductible of the loss, and then the carrier will take over from there. We have a new home discount. This home was built in 2014, so it is still eligible for a new home discount, and savings is about $267. We also have the auto policy credit. So if you have your auto policy with the same carrier, they're going to offer you a additional discount. And then we have the e-customer program discount. That is $111 credit, and that is basically if you decide to get your policy information emailed to you as opposed to mailed to you. Now I'm going to give you my personal takeaway of the homeowner policy that we've gone through. For the location in Uxbridge, Mass, and the annual premium of $1,039, I do find this policy to be very competitive and in line with what it should be. As for the overall coverages, I do like this product that they offer, especially with the Safety Complete endorsement. I do like having all those bells and whistles on the policy just for the peace of mind. I actually do enjoy working with Safety Insurance. I've been working with the same underwriter for at least 5 or 6 years now, and anything that I need, she is right there, able to answer the questions right off the bat. If I need anything, she'll send it to me right away, which is always something that we do like to see as agents, because we do need to get the information ready and over to the client. For the claims, we will typically take the initial claim at this end, and then it does get sent through to Safety Insurance, and it will be assigned to an adjuster. The adjuster will then reach out to the client within about 24 hours or so, depending on the severity of the claim. If it's a fire that has taken over the whole home, then they're obviously going to get a call right away, and we will, as agents, make sure that does get done. Overall, the claims experiences I've had with Safety Insurance have all been pleasant. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like to learn more about homeowners insurance, you can go ahead and watch this video right here. By now, you should know a little more information about Safety Insurance and as to whether it's going to be a good fit for you. Thanks again for watching. I hope you have a great day.